the vaccine developed by Russia, Gamaleya is the name, which is a platform, adenovirus platform. There are other similar vaccines, similar kind of a platform. This vaccine has been under consideration of the country. The government of Russia approached the government of India through appropriate channels and sought help on two counts. One, to consider its manufacturing through our network of companies that are well known for vaccine manufacturing of high quality and of a size and volume and capacity which is perhaps the very best in the world. So the intent was that can this vaccine be manufactured by Indian companies when the scale up would take place. So that's one part of the request for partnership. The second one is, yes, they have done phase 1, phase 2, and that has been published recently in the Lancet last week. And whether, if need be, phase 3 studies or any bridging studies be conducted in India, which means regulatory processes and also finding suitable partners for conducting the trial. So these are the twin requests from their side. The Government of India attaches great importance to this offer of partnership from a friend who's a very special friend to this nation. And on both the tracks, there has been significant movement. The outreach has been extended to several companies in India, and a few of them, 2 or 3 or 4 of them, have already come forward. Others are in discussions with the Russian counterparts, and the government is facilitating that process of how that connect can be made. And there may be specific outcomes very soon in that regard. So we are helping, but this is a win-win situation for India and the world indeed, because India can manufacture that vaccine in such large and significant quantities, which is good for Russia, good for India, and also excess capacities and specific part of that capacity can be offered to the rest of the world. And on the regulatory front, the Indian scientists have looked at the data. In any case, now it is in the public domain. And yes, there would be a need for phase 3 trials in normal course of things. And if that is required, we are paving way that such a phase 3 trial or bridging studies as required, as per science and as per the requirements of regulatory system of India, would be facilitated by the Government of India. So we are working in partnership with this vaccine candidate for manufacture as well as for trial and as well as for regulatory facilitation in the spirit of partnership and in the spirit of science for humanity.